Jones Road has launched their 2023 holiday collection shop kits that are perfect holiday gifts for makeup lovers. There are 3 kits available. The Pink Champagne Kit that retails for $72. The Platinum Pink Kit retails for $72. And the Mini Brush Kit retails for $59. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The 2023 limited edition holiday collection is here, available while supplies last. The limited edition Pink Champagne Kit has everything you need for warm, bubbly midnight toast. The holiday-inspired kit includes a limited edition mini miracle balm in pink champagne, a colorless balm with gold pearl, a dab onto lips and the high points of the face for added highlight and sparkle. The kit also includes Best Pencil in Onyx to line and define the eyes, Sparkle Wash in Gilded for a touch of shimmer on the eyes, and Lip and Cheek Stick in Rosy Brown for a statement color on the cheeks and lips, bundled in a limited edition Gold Jones Road Tyvek bag. The limited edition Platinum Pink Kit has everything you need for a cool, toned, sparkly flush this winter. The Diamond Dust inspired kit includes a limited edition mini miracle balm in platinum pink, a colorless balm with silvery pink pearls, dab on the lips and the high points of the face for added highlight and shimmer. The kit also includes Best Pencil in Black to line and define the eyes, Sparkle Wash in Barely Pink for a touch of shimmer on the eyes, and Lip and Cheek Stick in Bright Pink for a statement pink on the cheeks and lips, bundled in a limited edition Silver Jones Road Tyvek bag. The Mini Brush Kit is a travel set of 4 essential brushes that can be used for virtually any application. Bundled in a limited edition mini brush bag and band, the kit includes the mini blush brush for applying powders, the mini detail brush for spot concealing, the mini eye blending brush for all over eye color, and the mini eyeliner brush for precision application along the eye. Let me know if you're thinking about picking up any of these kits. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.